Hi, it's Jason from SA Shares, and today I am going to show you step by step how to open a free trading account on GoMarkets. Stay tuned until the end of the video and we will reveal a helpful tip that might be beneficial to you if you're a beginner trader or just starting out. Let's get started. GoMarkets was founded in 2006 in Melbourne, Australia. Featuring low spreads and over 350 tradable products such as Forex, Indices, metals, Commodities, CFDs, and Cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature standard and Go Plus accounts available on 9 different base currencies. GoMarkets supports MetaTrader 4 and 5 on a variety of different platforms, such as Windows, iOS, Android, and mobile. If you encounter any problems or would like some assistance, their support technical staff will be more than happy to assist you with any questions you might have for them. Just click on the Chat with Us button at the bottom right. Enter your name, email, what you need assistance with, and your message. A support staff member will then get back to you. Today, I am going to show you how to open a demo account on GoMarkets. First, head over to their website at www.gomarkets.com. On their home screen, you will see Let's Get Started with Go. Click on Try a Free Demo. Enter your personal information such as your email, phone number, and preferred platform. Your account details will be sent to the phone number you submitted when filling out the demo form. After you have submitted your form, you will see your MT4 demo account is ready. Download your preferred platform. In our case, we decided to go with MetaTrader 4 for Windows. Install your preferred platform and enter the login details that were sent to your mobile phone prior. And it's that easy. We're in. This is GoMarkets Demo on MetaTrader 4 for Windows. At the top of the screen here, you can change your graph types from either bar, candlestick, or line chart. You can zoom in and out of your selected currency pair graphs with the magnifying glasses next to the graph types. On the left, we can see our Market Watch, which displays detailed information about selected currency pairs. Keep in mind that all this information is simulated as this is a demo account. You can double-click on individual currency pairs in the Market Watch window to open up detailed information about the pairs. Here you can see information about the selected individual currency pairs, or to make individual market executions. You can also right-click on the selected individual currency pairs to open up a new graph window, which allows you to move your graphs exactly where you would like to. At the top left of the graph is where we can make buy and sell orders from the selected currency pairs. At the bottom left of the screen, we can click on the currency pairs we have chosen to maximize their windows and give us a closer look at how they are doing. GoMarkets offer a variety of educational guides, videos, and seminars where you can learn the rundown of trading and inform yourself to become a better trader. Their videos feature beginner guide tutorials where you can easily learn the ropes to MetaTrader 4, with additional videos from expert advisors. GoMarkets also offer the option to take their free educational courses in trading to help you better understand how the Forex market works. One tip for beginners when you are first starting out is to consider focusing on one currency pair at a time before you start expanding. Trading is complicated, and due to how volatile the market is, it can be very difficult to master all the skills required to becoming a professional trader. With this in mind, start by restricting your trading activity to one currency pair which you understand, and one that is familiar to you, such as the currency of where you live. This can help you take it one step at a time, and when you are confident enough, then expand as you would like to. And that's how to open a free demo account on GoMarkets. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which Forex platform you are currently using to trade on. That's it from me. To open an account now, click the link in the description. Good luck.